The how-to on descaling a Nescafe Dolce Gusto Oblo coffee machine, but ultimately you could do this for any coffee machine as long as it's got the water tank. That's just basically put the liquid into there. So just make sure that that's empty, no pods in there. What I would say is that you can obviously buy the chemicals to put in these, but if you want to do something a little bit kinder to the environment and probably kinder to yourself, malt vinegar, it's an acid, it will descale. You can use it in kettles, most people are aware of that. So all we're going to do, I'm going to use, what's that, just over half a bottle. So what I do is pour it straight in the water container. You'll need descaling if you find that the heat, the water isn't that great, temperature of the water, and also if the machine's not pumping the water through that quickly, especially if you live in an area with hard water where you get scale problems. So as you can see, there's the vinegar at the back. Let's turn it around, get a better view. There you go. And all we're going to do is run it through. What I need is a mug, so put the mug in there. Probably want to switch it on as well, don't I? There we go. Wait for that to go green. In a hard water area you should probably do this maybe once a year, maybe 6 months. We're in a bit of a softer water area here, so it's not needed so frequently. Still getting red. I'm doing this under a cooker hood. What you might want to do, because of the smell of the vinegar, is actually put the extractor on. If I do that here though, that's the light. If I do it here, it's just going to make too much noise. So right, let's have a look. If we, whoops, what am I doing? So, just put that on, put it to the hot water. Twiddle my bulb in here that's flickering away. So as you can see, the vinegar solution is going through. It's a bit of a vinegar smell, so like, yeah, if you are doing this under a cooker hood, switch the extractor on. It's going to go all the way to the top of that mug. This hot vinegar, you could probably pour this somewhere else to clean something else up. You stick it down toilets and it descales toilets as well. But let's just turn that off. Okay, that's just indicating red because it's going to heat back up again. So yeah, I imagine inside these they've got like a heater element, and after a while, with the scale on, it just scale up like a kettle. So they become sort of inefficient. This probably will clog up its pipe so it can't pump the hot water through so quickly. There we go again. Lovely smell of vinegar. There we go, that's nearly empty. Right, that's empty, so that's what we do with that. What you want to do now is rinse out this water container. I'll do over here. Just giving it a quick rinse. Get all that vinegar out. Alright, let's just fill it up. What I suggest now is that you fill it up right to the top. By doing that, you're clearly going to just wash out that vinegar. So here we go. Nearly there. Right, that's that. There we go. Just going to put that back in. I would leave this on hot as well, just to help with the flushing through. There we go. Still smells a little bit vinegary. You can see the water, that's clear. In the mug it does look a bit vinegary. Right. It's gone red, it's heating up again. Pour that one away down the sink. Back again for more. See the water level in there? So yeah, it's just a cheap and easy way of descaling these machines without the need for like a proper, probably more expensive treatment from Nescafe. Is Nescafe do them? I think it is. Or like a commercial descaler. I really don't fancy putting a commercial descaler through my coffee machine and then drinking coffee afterwards. Get in there. I think even on this machine the water's probably coming through a little bit faster than before. It seems to be steaming more as well. Almost done. Yeah, doesn't smell anymore. There we go. It's run out. So that's it. That's how to descale the Nescafe Dolce Gusto Oblo coffee machine.